Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 6 times x minus 2 equals 7 times x minus 9. Solving means leaving the variable alone on one side, with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. Use the same operation on both sides to keep the equation equal. Subtract 7 times x from both sides to collect the variable terms on the left. That gives negative x minus 2 equals negative 9. Add 2 to both sides so the variable term stands alone. That gives negative x equals negative 7. The variable coefficient is negative 1. Divide both sides by negative 1 to leave the variable alone. Quick check. Substitute 7 for x. Both sides equal 40, so the equation balances. So, x equals 7.